I spent 2 decades working at some of the biggest firms on Wall Street. I eventually took the lead at a $6 billion hedge fund. I became famous for calling the 2008 crash and buying stocks at the bottom, making a 76% return. Most hedge funds had lost 50%. Barron's named our fund one of the world's best. I appeared on major media outlets like CNBC, Fox Business News, and Bloomberg TV. I was living the life that I always dreamed of, but it felt more like a nightmare. I was simply making the rich richer. The 16-hour days were grueling. Most of all, my kids were growing up without their dad. For me, my dad was my hero. I don't know where I would be if it weren't for him. I decided it was time to put my family first. I walked away from Wall Street, moved my family to a small suburb town on the outskirts of Raleigh, North Carolina. Today, I have the privilege of taking my kids to school every morning and being there for them in the evenings. I'm their dad again. But I'm not retired, far from it. I started a new venture. I decided to use my skill set to help everyday Americans make money in the stock market. I'm not talking about 5%, 8%, or 10% annual gains. I'm talking about 100%, 500%, and 1,000% gains. This is what I was trained to do. I love seeing profits pour in. Even more, I love to see how people from all across America now have the chance to make more money than they ever thought possible. This is an email from Dina. She says she's up 157%, made $10,000 in less than 2 months. And this one is from Michael. He made $26,000 in the last 3 months. And this is a letter from a guy named John. He sent me his brokerage account statement and wrote before Paul on it, he had lost $9,600. The next page said Paul on it and showed how he had made a gain of $998,000 on it in less than a year thanks to my recommendations. I get letters like this all the time. It's humbling. It's why I do what I do. Making millions of dollars in the stock market is more than possible when you have an expert like me on your side. Getting my best ideas, seeing my model portfolio, getting trade alerts that recommend exactly what to buy and when. It's easy, it's fun, and it puts you in control of your financial future. Over 100,000 people from all across America, from all walks of life, have signed up to get my insight in the last year. See the profits roll in. Feel the excitement of watching your money grow 5-fold and even 10-fold. Don't wait, try it out. Today, it's 100% risk-free.